Good evening, sir. This is dangerous goods. Dangerous goods, also called hazardous materials, are items that can harm people, property, or the environment if not handled properly. They are divided into 9 classes based on the type of danger they pose. Class 1: Explosives, substances that can suddenly release energy causing explosions like fireworks, TNT, or ammunition. Class 2: Gases, can be flammable, toxic, or cause suffocation like oxygen, propane, or aerosols. Class 3 Class 3 ay flammable liquids, give off vapors that can ignite easily, such as gasoline, paint, or alcohol. Class 4 is flammable solids, easily catch fire or react with water like matches or phosphorus. Class 5: Oxidizer or organic peroxides, help other materials burn faster like hydrogen peroxide or ammonium nitrate. Class 6: Toxic and infectious substances, can poison or spread disease like pesticides or medical waste. Class 7: Radioactive material, emit radiation harmful to humans like uranium or medical isotopes. Class 8: Corrosives, can destroy skin or materials such as acid or battery. Class 9: Miscellaneous, other hazardous materials like lithium batteries, dry ice, or chemical kits. Always handle and transport dangerous goods with extreme care. Thank you, sir.